Is that for Mama? Thank you. Ernie, who's this? Is that your boy? Can you give him a hug? Oh. Where's he going? Oh, on the couch. That's nice. He's more comfy that way. You're very busy. What are you doing? Throwing. Is that your monkey? Go put him with the boy. Oh. Oh, monkey gets that couch. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Can you give him a hug? Can you give the boy a hug? Oh, hug for monkey. Now what about the boy? Give the boy a hug. Oh. Bye-bye. Lots of gifts. Paintbrushes. Ernie's dying to get into those. From Aunt Rach and Uncle Eric. Easel, paintbrushes. He really wants to open the paints. Ooh, back to the dolls. Oh, you love your boy. You know you can undress him, right? You want to take his skateboard? Yeah, take his skateboard. Pull. Pull it. Whoa! Was that fun? You want to step on it? Ride it. Okay, flap your wings like a bird. Doesn't that help? No? Oh. Okay, now flap your wings like a bird. Flap your wings. Bye-bye.